Hello, my name is Finn. I live in a small town in the UK. It is quiet here. There are not many people, but there are trees, birds, and small shops. I like this place. It is peaceful. I started learning English 2 years ago. I was 18 years old. I went to a small school in town. My first class was very simple. We said hello. We said, my name is... We learned colors and numbers. It was not hard, but I was shy. My teacher said, don't worry. Just try. I liked her voice. She smiled a lot. Her name was Emma. She told us, mistakes are okay. At home, I watched cartoons in English. I listened to songs. I didn't understand many words, but I liked the sound. I sang with the music. Sometimes I said the wrong words. That's okay. I still enjoyed it. One day I looked in the mirror. I said, "Hi, Finn." Then I laughed. It was strange but fun. I asked myself, can I talk to myself in English? I tried. I said, my shirt is blue. I said, I feel hungry. I said, let's eat. That was the first time I spoke English without help. I felt proud. I said, good job, Finn. At first, I only said one word, like apple. Book, chair. Then I said two words, red apple, big book, small chair. Later I made full sentences. This apple is sweet. I read a book. The chair is soft. I did not use a dictionary every time. I tried to guess. I looked at pictures. I listened to people. I asked, what is that? Or how do you say this in English? Some days were easy. Some days were hard. I asked myself, why is English so hard? But I didn't stop. I said, let's try again tomorrow. In my town, there is a small market. I often go there. One day I saw a tourist. He looked lost. I asked, can I help you? He smiled and said, yes, thank you. We talked for a few minutes. I spoke slow. He listened. He said, your English is good. I was so happy. I walked home and said, I can do this. I can speak English. That day was special. It gave me hope. Now I start my mornings with English. I wake up. I say good morning. I look outside. I say, it is sunny. I make tea. I say, this tea smells nice. These are small things, but they help my brain. So if you ask, where do I start? I say, start with small words. Look around. Say what you see. Say what you do. That is how I began. One word at a time, then two, then more. It is not fast, but it is real. It is strong, and it works. Now every morning I say one sentence in English. I say it is 7 o'clock. I get out of bed and say I feel sleepy. Then I go to the bathroom and say toothbrush, toothpaste. These are small words, but they help me. When I eat breakfast, I say I eat bread. I drink tea. Sometimes I say the bread is warm. The tea is hot. I sit and look at the window. I say it is cloudy today, or there is a bird on the tree. Every day brings something new to say. At work, I try the same. I say pen, paper, computer. I write, I type fast. I look at the clock and say it is 10 o'clock. I ask myself, what should I do next? These small questions keep my mind active in English. One day I dropped my pencil. I said, oops, my pencil fell. My friend looked at me and smiled. She said, "You speak English very well." That made me happy. I did not think in my first language. I used English without fear. When I go shopping, I do the same. I look at fruits and say, banana, apple, orange. I ask, how much is this? Or can I have two, please? These short sentences help me. I do not need long words. In the evening, I cook dinner. I say, boil the water, cut the onion, stir the soup. I speak as I work. I say, this smells good. I eat and say, dinner is ready. I like this food. One night I watched a movie. I did not understand all the words, but I understood some. I said, he is angry, she is happy. I followed the story. I felt proud again. I also keep a notebook. I write simple things. Today I went to work. I met a friend. We talked. I felt good. I try to write every day. Writing helps me see my English. I learn from my mistakes. Sometimes I talk to myself in the mirror. I ask, how was your day, Finn? I answer, it was nice. I did many things. This small talk makes me smile. So what do I learn from this? I learn that practice is the key. I don't wait for a perfect time. I use English in my morning, in my work, in my walk, in my food, in my day. I say, let's speak English today. Let's enjoy it. There are still hard days. Some days I forget a word. Some days I feel tired. But I tell myself, that's okay. I will try again tomorrow. And I do. One word, one sentence, one small step. I made a choice. I wanted English in my life, not only in school. I changed my phone to English. I watched short videos in English. I listened to English music. At first, I didn't understand all the words. That's okay. I just kept going. One morning I said, let's try something new. I took my notebook and wrote, I want to use English in real life. That day I walked to a coffee shop. I told the worker, 1 tea, please. As she smiled and said, sure. It was a small win, but I felt proud. I started doing more. I read signs in English. I followed English pages on social media. I wrote short comments like nice photo or good idea. Did I make mistakes? Yes, but that is okay. Every mistake helped me learn. Where can you practice English? Everywhere. At home, I say, I open the window, I clean the table. On the street, I say, there is a red car. I see a man with a dog. When I travel, I ask, where is the bus stop? Or what time is it? I play games in English. I read simple stories. I write down new words. How many words did I learn last week? Maybe 10. But that is 10 more than before. Slow is okay. What matters is to keep going. Now I speak to myself more. I say, let's cook dinner. Let's listen to music. Let's watch a show. These are daily actions, but they help my brain think in English. I don't wait for a teacher. I am the teacher. I know I will not be perfect, but I will improve. I say, I can do it. I say, English is part of my day. When I go to bed, I say, today I tried. Tomorrow I will try again. So if you are learning English, do not stop. Try one thing each day, talk to yourself. Read signs, listen to music, change your phone, ask questions. Write a journal, watch a short video. Use English in your real life. Your brain is smart. It will learn, it just needs time and practice. You can do this. You really can, just like me. Let's grow together. Let's speak together. Let's think in English every day in every small way.